Hello, dear friends. I'm Melody, your friend. Today, speak about industrial cluster advantages can help offset economic sluggishness. Manufacturers from China will leverage the inherent advantages of the country's industrial cluster to gain more export orders and combat economic sluggishness due to the COVID-19 outbreak across the world, officials and industrial experts said. The comments came after the Ministry of Commerce urged the Chinese company to achieve an early transition from resumption of products to the full recovery of the entire industrial chains to reach production. Last week, to help partner economy the sustain business. Such a movement will help China better prevent risks from the weak global market demand and readjust the export strategy by shipping more medical equipment, medicines, negative pressure ambulances, disinfection robots, and other daily necessaries to the overseas market battered by the outbreak, said Wei Jianguo, Vice Chairman of China Center for the International Economic Exchanges. We also said that government must establish data platform to gather information about overseas market orders and explain policy environment to the export-oriented companies, as many countries have suspended factory operations and canceled orders due to the outbreak. China has the world's most complete industrial system with the most diversified sectors and vigorous domestic demand, said Pan Xinjian, Senior Vice President of Schneider Electric China, adding the epidemic and its recent impact on factory business will push more Chinese companies, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, to focus on digital transformation for robust growth. About 67% of the country's key import and export firms had recovered nearly 70% of the production capacity by last week, data from the Ministry of Commerce showed. To facilitate the manufacturing sector's production resumption, the government has resorted policy tools such as export tax rebates and export credit insurance for the foreign trade firms and introduced the measures to help them secure orders and maintain market shares, said Jiang Fan, an official at the ministry's foreign trade department. Where many industries are suffering those days, Dennis DePaxi, managing director of marketing consultancy Roland Berg in China, said the entire risk management industry, from insurance to auditing, stands to gain from the crisis. Vehicle equipment manufacturers and their supply chains, including raw materials like plastic, pulp, paper, and rubber, will see increased demand beyond the crisis in China and across the world, he said. Eager to put its foreign trade growth on a firm footing, China will strengthen its financial support to its border and cross-border economic cooperation zones to create a better condition for companies to resume production, as well as faster fresh momentum for foreign trade growth, said a circular jointly unveiled by the Ministry of Commerce and Export-Import Bank of China on Tuesday. Government departments and the Policy Bank will provide guidance and financial support to companies in operating border and cross-border economic cooperation zones and resolve urgent issues such as ensuring the capital turnovers and broadening the financial channels to ensure smooth operations of their industrial and supply chain, and to minimize the impact from the COVID-19 outbreak. It's all by me this time. I want to send congratulations to all children of Mexico for Children's Day tomorrow, April 30th. Melody here. Say goodbye and see you soon. Bye bye.